Bringing back the Honda Prelude in 2026 isn't just about bringing back a popular nameplate, it's a daring return of one of the most famous cars from the brand, updated for a new wave of drivers. Those who love cars have always had a soft spot for the original Prelude, which was popular from the late 1970s until the early 2000s and was beloved by many for its refined design, agile handling, and sturdy construction. Honda is giving the Prelude moniker a second chance 20 years after the final model left the assembly line. The new 2026 model is a sporty hybrid coupe with a modern design that attempts to win over fans with its throwback charm and futuristic aspirations. The new Prelude has an eye-catching appearance that deftly combines retro and futuristic elements. A pointed front fascia, narrow LED headlights, and a combative posture give it an athletic, low-slung appearance that looks fast even when it's not moving. With a softly tapered roofline that alludes to its coupe ancestry, the car's aerodynamic profile flows effortlessly from front to back. A subtle etching of the Prelude name into the back quarter panel is a tribute to the past, but the car's contemporary grille and practical aero components are clear indications of its future. Honda's designers clearly avoided relying too much on retro elements. Instead, they reimagined the classic Prelude proportions in a completely modern packaging that harmonizes with the brand's present aesthetic. A hybrid powertrain, essential to the 2026 Honda Prelude, demonstrates Honda's continued dedication to electrification without compromising performance. Most versions will likely have a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine coupled with Honda's newest dual-motor hybrid powertrain. However, specifics may differ by market and trim level. Combined output of 220 to 240 horsepower and outstanding fuel economy are the results of this setup's remarkable power-to-efficiency ratio. A combination of the electric motor's instantaneous torque and the internal combustion engine's stability at higher speeds allows for rapid acceleration out of the starting gate. The drivetrain of the Prelude has been fine-tuned with a sharper edge, making it more appealing to driving aficionados and providing quicker throttle response than other hybrids, which are more concerned with fuel economy than enjoyment. A well-tuned chassis and suspension system add to the Prelude's list of performance-oriented features. Featuring an optimal front-to-rear weight distribution and a low center of gravity, the 2026 Prelude is built on a modified version of Honda's worldwide compact chassis. All of these features contribute to the car's agile and responsive handling, which in turn makes it seem light and responsive when cornering. Whether you're slicing through winding mountain roads or navigating narrow city streets, the Prelude's multi-link rear suspension, adjustable dampers, and customizable drive modes will keep you safe and comfortable. The 2017 Prelude may lack the pure track performance of a full-blown sports car, but it compensates with an exciting and entertaining ride that is well-suited to drivers who value well-considered engineering and nuanced characteristics. The 2026 Honda Prelude's cabin is an oasis of modern comfort and driver-centric design. Featuring a digital instrument cluster, a big center touchscreen, and straightforward tactile controls where they are most needed, the dashboard arrangement is sleek and modern. Elevate the interior ambiance with high-quality materials including soft-touch plastics, leather upholstery, and brushed metal accents. Personalize it with ambient lighting and customizable displays. With their low and athletic design, the front seats offer great support, even while you're cruising at high speeds. Surprisingly spacious for a coupe, the Prelude has enough of room for front seat passengers and a practical back seat that can accommodate shorter passengers or extra goods when necessary. A premium sound system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and Honda's newest infotainment system with speech recognition and over-the-air upgrades are just a few of the innovative amenities that tech-savvy consumers will love in the Prelude. Ensuring safety is of utmost importance, with a comprehensive suite of driver aid technologies offered by Honda Sensing. You may drive with confidence thanks to safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. A full suite of features that meet contemporary standards can be customized with optional extras including a head-up display, a surround view camera system, and parking assist capabilities. Beyond its functional specifications, the 2026 Honda Prelude embodies the brand's values. With its comeback, Honda has signaled a change in their vision for the future of driving, one in which emotions play an integral role in vehicle design and where environmental friendliness and performance are not seen as incompatible goals. The Prelude isn't just a product to fill space or increase sales numbers, it's a halo vehicle that will reconnect fans with the brand's history and its aspirations for the future. As such, the Prelude is similar to other contemporary coupes in that they are aspirational vehicles that represent the desired image of a brand rather than simply functional transportation. To the delight of fans, Honda has given the Prelude an amount of personalization and customization options so that each owner may make it uniquely theirs. A well-appointed base model will sit atop the various trim levels, which will extend to more performance-oriented versions with sport-tuned suspension, bigger wheels, and other stylistic touches. From classic to cutting edge, there is a wide range of exterior paint colors, upholstery materials, and interior color schemes to choose from. A performance option is offered for those who want more oral stimulation when driving. It comes with bigger brakes, lighter wheels, and a reworked exhaust system. The 2026 Prelude's ability to both usher in new paradigms in design and technology while simultaneously evoking sentimental nostalgia is one of its most fascinating features. Fans of the vehicle will see some familiar features, such the coupe shape and the emphasis on the driver, but they have been updated to reflect the state-of-the-art in automotive design in the 21st century. By doing so, Honda sidesteps the typical mistake of putting all their eggs in the retro appeal basket. The engineering and design decisions made for the Prelude, on the other hand, show a firm dedication to development, turning it into a car that seems new and modern rather than stuck in the past. The 2026 Prelude is a great way to introduce drivers of a younger generation to a moniker that was synonymous with sportiness in Honda's past, especially those who didn't grow up with the original. The resurgence of the low-slung, two-door coupe is both welcome and slightly defiant in light of the market's current preponderance of crossovers and SUVs. The fact that automobiles that put the pleasure of driving first, cars that stand out visually and orally, continue to sell well is evidence of this. Even though the vehicle industry is moving towards electrification and automation, the Prelude's comeback shows that such cars may find a place in the market. Regional tastes, rules, and customer behavior will most certainly determine the Prelude's performance in international marketplaces. It could appeal to a specific subset of North American consumers, the enthusiasts and brand loyalists in an industry where coupes are losing ground. The Prelude may, however, find a more accommodating market in Asia and Europe, particularly among consumers who value small dimensions, robust efficiency, and precise handling. In keeping with stricter pollution regulations and worldwide environmental objectives, Honda has chosen to offer the Prelude as a hybrid model instead of an all-electric one. This is a transitional strategy that targets customers who aren't quite ready to make.
Thanks for watching.